Land is a valuable asset. Proper land acquisition is important for establishing projects. This requires handling multiple locations, supervising teams, maintaining documents. You need reports, different maps, land history, various documents, legal deeds, monitoring acquisition stages and expenses. What if you have a single solution to manage all these? LAMS is the solution for you. Forget manual data storage. LAMS is the one-stop decision support system. Analyze land in multiple locations. Digital representation of cadastral maps. Acquisition status monitoring with color-coded maps. Estimate cost. Land-related documents. R&R. Customized dashboard for reports. User-friendly, time-saving, cost-effective.